The FirsTime Francesca Bar Cart brings a touch of modern sophistication to any living space with its sleek black finish and minimalist design. This versatile two-tier mobile minibar serves as an ideal kitchen serving cart or coffee station, seamlessly blending functionality with style. Its metal and glass construction ensures durability while providing a clean aesthetic that complements a variety of home decor themes. Designed for convenience and organization, the FirsTime Francesca Bar Cart features dedicated storage spaces perfect for displaying your favorite wines and glassware. The rolling casters allow for effortless mobility, making it simple to move your beverage station from the kitchen to the dining room or patio whenever you are hosting guests. It maximizes utility in smaller spaces while keeping your essential items neatly arranged and accessible. Investing in the FirsTime Francesca Bar Cart is a practical choice for those who value both form and function in their furniture. Whether you are crafting a dedicated area for morning coffee or an elegant setup for evening cocktails, this piece offers the reliability and elegance needed to elevate your home. Its timeless appearance ensures that it will remain a staple in your interior design for years to come. Pros: compact size for small spaces, features dedicated wine storage, includes wine glass racks. Mobile with locking wheels, modern and stylish design, versatile coffee cart functionality. Sturdy metal and glass, multi-room utility. Cons: full assembly required. Sharp edges and pinch points, weight limit of 66 pounds, risk of tipping. Caution on uneven surfaces. Features: two-tier design, mobile bar cart, kitchen serving cart, coffee station, wine storage, glass storage, metal and glass, modern style. The FirsTime Francesca Bar Cart brings a touch of modern sophistication to any living space with its sleek black finish and minimalist design. This versatile two-tier mobile minibar serves as an ideal kitchen serving cart or coffee station, seamlessly blending functionality with style. Its metal and glass construction ensures durability while providing a clean aesthetic that complements a variety of home decor themes. The FirsTime & Co. Black Francesca Bar Cart offers a stylish and modern design that serves as a versatile mobile station for coffee, wine, and glassware, making it an excellent compact choice for small spaces. While its metal and glass construction provides sturdy utility across multiple rooms and includes helpful features like dedicated storage and locking wheels, users should be aware that it requires full assembly and poses potential safety risks such as sharp edges, pinch points, and a tendency to tip if overloaded beyond its 66-pound limit or used on uneven surfaces.